So guys, as you read from the title, you want to learn how to animate in Sticknodes. So first, you want to scroll down and try to find the Sticknodes and stuff, library tools. Select your character and press add character. And use the square in the middle or like in the crouch to move it. And go and you can add another character if you want to. So now that you've done that, press add frame to start animating. And then when you do that, you want to move a piece of a character, then add frame again, and then move a piece. And then it just keeps repeating until you're done with the animation. If you do not want a stick figure, you can press delete stick figure. All you have to do to get that to pop up is press on a stick figure, and it should say that at the very top. So now that you know how to animate, hope you guys liked watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching.